Hey everyone! Achieving that sharp and well-defined jawline is a goal many of us aspire to. It's not just about aesthetics. A strong jawline exudes confidence and can enhance your overall appearance. Here's a comprehensive guide to help you get there. First and foremost, let's talk about diet. Maintaining a balanced, nutrient-rich diet is crucial for achieving a chiseled jawline. Opt for whole foods, lean proteins, and plenty of fruits and vegetables. These foods provide essential vitamins and minerals that support skin health and collagen production. Additionally, reducing your salt intake can help minimize water retention, which can make your face look puffier and mask your jawline's definition. Now, let's move on to facial massages. This simple yet effective technique is often overlooked. Regularly massaging your jawline and neck area stimulates blood flow, tightens the skin, and can enhance the overall appearance of your jaw. Consider using a moisturizer or facial oil for added benefits during your massage routine. Incorporating chewing gum or sugar-free candies into your daily routine can also be surprisingly helpful. Chewing encourages jaw muscle exercise, helping to tone and define the area over time. Additionally, consider specific jawline exercises such as the chin tuck or neck tilt. These targeted exercises can strengthen the muscles around your jawline, making it appear more prominent and sculpted. Incorporate these exercises into your daily routine, gradually increasing repetitions as you progress. Lastly, don't forget about proper posture. Maintaining good posture not only projects confidence but also emphasizes your jawline. Keep your head up, shoulders back, and spine straight. This simple adjustment can make a significant difference in the way your jawline appears. With dedication to these steps and a bit of patience, you'll be well on your way to achieving that coveted sharp jawline. Remember that results take time and consistency, so stay committed to your routine. Keep at it, and you'll see results that make you proud.